Yodiz is a project management tool designed for teams to manage and track their projects more effectively. As soon as you log in, you're greeted with a clean, user-friendly interface. The dashboard offers an overview of your ongoing projects, sprints, and tasks. You can create new projects easily, assign team members, set deadlines, and prioritize tasks. The platform is built with Agile methodology in mind, making it ideal for teams that follow Scrum or Kanban processes. Once you start a project, the first thing you'll notice is the well-organized task board. Tasks can be easily moved between columns, so you can visually track progress. Yodiz also integrates with a range of third-party tools, which is helpful if you already use platforms like Jira or GitHub. The integration process is smooth and doesn't take too long, and it enhances Yodiz's ability to adapt to your existing workflow. Many useful links can be found in the description after watching this video, so make sure to check them out. Another highlight of Yodiz is its reporting and analytics features. You can generate detailed reports on your team's progress, which can be useful for sprint reviews or client meetings. The platform also allows for custom reporting, so you can tailor the data to your needs. The Agile boards and backlog management features are particularly beneficial for teams looking to maintain an organized workflow while staying flexible. However, one downside is that the learning curve can be a little steep if you're new to Agile project management. Yodiz offers a number of helpful resources, but it might take some time to get used to the terminology and workflows. Also, while the tool is powerful, the free version has limited features, and you may need to opt for a paid plan if your team requires more advanced capabilities. Overall, Yodiz is a robust project management tool that can be a real asset for teams following Agile methodologies. Its task management, integration capabilities, and reporting features make it stand out, but there are a few areas that could use improvement, particularly in terms of ease of use for newcomers. If you're looking for a tool to help you streamline your workflows and improve team collaboration, Yodiz is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews of project management tools and other productivity software.